Guys, it's the start of summer, so I'm deciding to grill my lunch on my Lion Grill today. I had a lot of basil and lemons laying around, so I'm going to make a chicken caprese sandwich with a grilled lemonade with basil simple syrup. While my Lion Grill was preheating, I made a quick pesto in a food processor, but you could use a blender too. I used 2 handfuls of basil, 3 garlic cloves, half a cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of pine nuts, 2 tablespoons of Parmesan, a pinch of chili flakes, and some salt and pepper. I made some simple syrup inside, which is half a cup of sugar and half a cup of water. I brought it to a boil until the sugar dissolved, and now I'm adding some basil to let it sit. All right, now I'm going to cut the lemons and put them on the grill. While lemons are grilling, I flattened the chicken by putting it in between 2 pieces of parchment paper and hitting it with a rolling pin. Now I'm going to season it with salt and pepper and throw it on the grill. The lemons are done. We're going to juice them once they cool off. And now I'm going to put some bread on the grill while the chicken is cooking. Now I'm going to pour my sparkling water into the lemonade and add some simple syrup to taste. Alright, so the chicken's done. It's time to build the sandwich. I'm going to spread some pesto onto both sides and then add the chicken, mozzarella, tomato, and basil. Here's the finished product, chicken pesto caprese sandwich and some grilled lemon basil lemonade.